When I'm with you, I feel complete dahil ikaw ang missing piece ng buhay ko. I vow to continuously work on myself and to be the husband you deserve. You are my person, my love, my life, today and always. I thank God that I am yours and you're mine. Game na. I want to see more of your talents as we spend the rest of our lives together. I want to hear music every day at our future home. Your electronic keyboard is waiting for you sa bahay. See you at the end of the aisle. Milab. Bakit USPS? Sa abroad ba yun galing? Keyboard. Gaming keyboard. Thank you!
Be happy and be a good girl in your husband.
To my bride, hope you like it. See you later, babe. Love, babe PJ. Iyak naman agad.
I vow to be your protector. Magkakampi tayo kahit alam mo na minsan may misunderstandings. To be always by your side kahit wala lang, ang tambay lang, basta magkasama tayo. Dahil may happy place is by your side.
Sama kayong may pagkakaunawaan, magbati pagka nagkakagalit, maging mabuti sa iyong pamilya, ikaping umunlad. God bless.
Today, in front of our dear God and our loved ones, I vow to be your rock, your safe haven, and your home, no matter where life takes us.
I had this dream that I'll never forget. May isang babae na nakabihis ng Pilipiniana ang natatanaw ko sa bintana. Medyo mataas yung bintana kaya pilit ko siyang sinisilip pero hindi ko makita ng maayos dahil medyo nakatalikod siya nun. Nung magising ako, sobrang curious ko at pakiramdam ko na may something. Days passed and nakilala kita through my sister Carla. And I saw a lot of photos of you wearing a Filipiniana kasi part ka ng lahing Batangan dance troupe sa Lyceum. And I wondered, siya kaya yung babae na nasa panaginip ko? Fast forward today, as we are here now, hours before our wedding ceremony, I can confirm and finally say na ikaw nga yung woman of my dream.
I went to sleep, counting the stars, then I woke up on the sun.
I've always dreamed of marrying a guy like you, and today, I get to marry the man of my dreams. As I look back at our 11 years together, I can't believe na dito din tayo dadalhin ni Lord.
This is your moment. You may now officially kiss your wife.
Ilang beses din tayong tinest, ilang beses din tayong pwedeng sumuko, pero parehas tayong hindi bumitaw. We always choose us, after all.